Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide Taskbar from OBS while recording or streaming. First of all, of course, you'll need OBS on your computer. If you don't have that, just go and download it at any browser you are using right now. Just type download OBS latest version, click at the first link, download it at any system you're using, maybe Windows, Mac, or even Linux. After downloading it, just go set up your OBS, launch it, and let's get started. If you already have an OBS, ignore all of that and start with us here. So as we said, we want to hide our taskbar. First of all, we want to create a scene. You can do that by clicking at scene collection, click at new then, or just go here at the scene section and click at the plus icon. Here, just name your scene, whatever you want. So let me just name it test. As you can see here at our scene, I'll need to add a source. Let me add a display capture. Name it whatever you want. So disk top as an example. Then click at OK. Then just choose if you want to capture the cursor and click, or maybe just click at default. It will make everything default. Then click at OK. Adjust this picture as you want. And as you want here, we had taskbar. So how can we remove this taskbar? It's simply by going to properties. Sorry, it's not this properties. It's by clicking right click here at this picture in the middle. Right click on it. Wait. Until you see this red lines, click on it, left click, then right click. Then click properties. Wait, it's showing me the same properties. Let's just go back. So if it keeps showing you this, like me, and it's not showing you what I want to show you, wait. All you need to do, just do